Did you know that pairing bananas with certain foods can lead to vision loss? Did you know that even bananas, those yellow guardians of eye health, have their friend and foe when it comes to food pairings? Yes, bananas, brimming with nutrients and known for their vision-protecting prowess, can be part of some less than ideal culinary duos. Fear not, for I've gathered a treasure trove of wisdom on this very topic. I'm about to reveal the top 3 culinary allies and adversaries of bananas, guiding you towards safeguarding your sight with every bite. Here are 3 of the best combinations of bananas with other consumable items that can enhance vision health. Number 1. Banana plus carrots. Banana and carrots might just be the eye health duo you didn't know you needed. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps keep your blood pressure in check, indirectly benefiting your eyes by maintaining healthy blood flow to the retina. They also contain a decent amount of vitamin A, known for its role in promoting good vision, especially in low light. So, if you're not a fan of stumbling around in the dark, bananas have got your back well, more like your eyes. Now pair that with carrots, the long-standing champion of eye health. Carrots are bursting with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which your body converts to this vision-boosting nutrient. Beta-carotene is like your eye's personal shield, protecting them from conditions like night blindness and keeping your vision sharp. Together, bananas and carrots make a powerhouse snack for your peepers. It's like sending your eyes on a spa day, giving them the nutrients they need to function optimally. Want to keep your vision clear and bright? Make a smoothie or salad with these 2, and you've got a delicious way to do just that. Plus, the best part is that it's quick, easy, and tasty. Who knew improving your eyesight could be this simple and delicious? Just be prepared for some strange looks when you tell people you're mixing bananas and carrots, but hey, your eyes will thank you. Number 2. Banana plus spinach. Banana and spinach might sound like an odd combo at first, but when it comes to eye health, they're a match made in nutrient heaven. Bananas bring potassium to the table, a key nutrient that keeps your blood pressure in check, which indirectly benefits your eyes by ensuring proper blood flow to the retina. And let's not forget their small but mighty dose of vitamin A, which plays a role in keeping your vision sharp. Now let's talk spinach. Popeye didn't eat it for nothing. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are like sunglasses for your eyes. These nutrients protect your eyes from harmful light exposure, like UV rays and blue light from screens, reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. It's basically like giving your eyes a little protective shield every time you eat spinach. When you blend bananas and spinach together in a smoothie, you're creating a nutrient-packed meal that's easy to make and even easier to enjoy. This combo gives your body and your eyes a boost of essential vitamins and antioxidants. Plus, it's super versatile. Throw in some other fruits, maybe a dollop of yogurt, and you've got a tasty treat that's working overtime to protect your peepers. So next time you're thinking of a smoothie, toss in some spinach with that banana. It's your eye's new favorite duo, even if your taste buds are a little surprised at first. Number 3, banana plus almonds. Banana and almonds. Now that's a combo your eyes will love. Bananas, as we know, are a great source of potassium and vitamin A, both of which play important roles in keeping your eyes functioning properly. But when you pair bananas with almonds, things get even better. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative damage to your eyes. Think of it as a protective layer, shielding your eyes from harm and reducing the risk of age-related issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. But wait, there's more! Almonds also come loaded with healthy fats and fiber, which work together to help keep your blood sugar levels stable. And why does that matter for your eyes? Well, keeping blood sugar in check helps prevent vision problems, especially if you're concerned about diabetes-related eye conditions. Tossing some almonds into your banana smoothie or even enjoying them together as a snack is a simple yet effective way to protect your long-term vision. You'll get the benefits of both the vitamins and antioxidants in this nutrient-packed duo, and your eyes will feel the love. Plus, you're getting a snack that's not only good for your eyes, but also filling and delicious. So next time you're looking for a quick and healthy snack, grab a banana and a handful of almonds. It's like giving your eyes a little vacation with each bite. These combinations not only benefit vision, but also contribute to general wellness due to the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in each. Now here are 3 combinations of bananas with other foods or consumable items that can be harmful to overall health, especially vision health. Number 1. Banana plus sugary drinks, soda or energy drinks. Pairing bananas with sugary drinks like soda or energy drinks might seem like a sweet idea, but it's a recipe for trouble, especially for your eyes. Bananas on their own are packed with natural sugars and essential nutrients, which are great for giving you a quick energy boost. But when you mix them with sugar-loaded sodas or energy drinks, things can go downhill fast. The problem? That sugary combo causes a sudden spike in your blood sugar levels. While this might give you a temporary energy rush, it's followed by a crash that leaves your body scrambling. Over time, these constant spikes and crashes can take a toll on your eyes. High blood sugar levels, especially when uncontrolled, are linked to diabetic retinopathy, a condition that damages the blood vessels in your retina, leading to vision problems and even blindness. And it doesn't stop there. Chronically high blood sugar can increase your risk of other eye issues too, like cataracts and glaucoma. So while that banana soda combo might seem innocent enough, it's quietly increasing the odds of long-term damage to your vision. In short, if you want to keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp, skip the sugary drinks. Enjoy your banana with something more nourishing. Instead, your eyes will thank you for it in the long run. Plus, you'll avoid the sugar roller coaster and the eventual crash that no one enjoys. Number 2. Banana plus processed meats, bacon, sausages. Pairing bananas with processed meats like bacon or sausages may sound like a hearty breakfast, but it's a sneaky way to harm your health, especially your eyes. Bananas are packed with potassium, which is great for balancing fluids and keeping your blood pressure in check. But when you mix them with processed meats, it's a different story. These meats are loaded with sodium, unhealthy fats, and preservatives, all of which spell trouble for your cardiovascular system. The problem with this combo lies in the sodium-potassium imbalance. Bananas may try to do their job by promoting healthy blood pressure, but the high sodium from processed meats can throw that balance off. This can lead to increased blood pressure, putting extra strain on your blood vessels, including the delicate ones in your eyes. Over time, this can result in hypertensive retinopathy, where high blood pressure damages the blood vessels in your retina, leading to vision problems. Processed meats also contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, which further affects eye health. Inflammation can damage the optic nerve and increase the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, while oxidative stress speeds up the development of cataracts. So, while a banana and bacon combo might seem like a tasty meal, it's a recipe for disaster for your eyes. Stick to healthier pairings and give your vision the care it deserves. Your taste buds might miss the bacon, but your eyes will be happier for it. Number 3. Banana plus refined sugar desserts, cakes, pastries. Pairing bananas with refined sugar desserts like cakes or pastries may seem like a sweet indulgence, but it's not doing your eyes any favors. Bananas are naturally sweet and packed with nutrients like potassium and vitamin A, but when you throw in sugary treats, you're adding a whole lot of empty calories and sugar. This overload can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time, and yes, weight gain too. Here's where things get tricky for your eyes. Consistently high sugar intake wreaks havoc on your blood circulation, and poor circulation can lead to damage in the tiny blood vessels of the retina. Over time, this increases the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a condition where high blood sugar levels damage the retinal blood vessels, potentially causing blindness. If that's not enough, too much sugar can also speed up the formation of cataracts, clouding your vision and making everything look a little foggy. So while that banana cake may taste great, it's a dangerous duo for your vision health. Bananas alone are a great snack, but when paired with sugar-heavy desserts, they lose their health halo. Your best bet is to enjoy bananas in their natural form or with healthier options like yogurt or nuts. Save the sugary desserts for a rare treat, and your eyes will thank you in the long run. Your waistline will probably appreciate it too. These combinations, though not immediately harmful in small amounts, can have long-term detrimental effects on eye and overall health if consumed regularly. Thanks for watching.